Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and I have my assistant today.
Joseph.
And today, we will be reviewing the
Forgot again.
Bohan. Bohan?
Bohan AR-16.
Very good. Okay, give me the unit.
Here you go.
Thank you. Bohan AR-16 is a gel blaster created by Bohan. This one is I got from Hydro Blasters MNL, the number one budol of my collection. This one is made of nylon material, so it's very sturdy. Even the handguard is full nylon. Even the front, rear, sides is made of nylon, so it's quite good. Quite feel solid. This one is a metal gearbox version. So when it comes to upgrades, it's fine. It's okay. You can fairly stretch it. It's still the sintered nylon, zinc alloy gearbox. So don't expect too much weight. It is metal, but it's not that strong. Okay. For the trades, unfortunately, there is no trades here, but there's a M-lock here, serial number here, the usual semi trades also on the magazine, on the other side, and that's basically it. Features, it's the usual gel blaster, magazine prime, there's is this a feature? No. There's a hand stop, M-lock rails, side rails. I'm not so sure if there's a built-in hop-up, but probably there will be. There's also a sling mount here, which is nice because not all units have those. Sling mount, nice. The buttstock is also slightly different. There's a raised cheek rest, so if you're using it, it helps. You can put your cheek there, but mostly if you're going to do a full face mask, it will hit it. Battery space, the usual one. So your choices for batteries is very limited. BB capacity is the standard M4 variant, so don't expect too much. Oops. Your ball fallen. Weight, since the metal gearbox is a little bit heavier than the usual, I think this is around less than 2 kilos, around 1.5 kilos. It's a little bit heavier than the usual because of the longer metal gearbox and the longer barrel. It also has a metal outer barrel that has a slight design, but you cannot see it from here. It fell. Oh, wait, nothing fell. It's FPS, it's around 220 average, but since this is a long barrel, the accuracy is quite better than usual. Even though I'm using the blue gels, this is his that I borrowed. His unit. It's fine. Range, it easily can hit the 10-meter mark because of the 400 millimeter barrel. 400 millimeter barrel. 400? Yes, 400 millimeter barrel from here to here. There's a slight outer barrel. Slight protrusion. It's the outer barrel is a little bit inner barrel is a little bit extruded, so you can put hop ups, or especially where is my and I lost the imperial mark hop up. It's supposed to be there. I'm so disorganized. In here, or the usual the riser hop up, so that's good. So if this is extruded, it has no built-in hop up. That's confirmed. Price, it's around 5,000. No, not 5,000. It's around 6,000 pesos. So it's not that expensive, but not that cheap also. But for the trades, it's quite fine. There's also or nylon gearbox version of this one, so it's far cheaper. So if you want a cheaper unit, that is fine. Oh, this uses also a Gen 8 gearbox, so limited motor type that you can use. Not limited parts also. So this is more or less same as the MK8 or the PDX. So it might be fine or not. Depends on you. But if you let a child hold it, you also have to stand. Hold
Okay.
it. Oh, it's a little bit too big. So it's not for children. And that's more or less it. If it's if you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below and we'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam! Bye-bye!
Bye. Ting.
The first thing one is the quality. It is made of nylon material, so it looks. And
Sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry.